What's good, YouTube? The all-knowing, all-loving, all-feeling, all-powerful, just all damn everything. Sexy as hell host, Life Gains channel. Shouts out to my 30-plus grown and sexy, keeping you guys updated on that technology. Shouts out to my African Americans. I love you. Shouts out to all minorities, by the way. Rocking my Dolphin gear because we got a third win yesterday. And that's all the cliches I'm going to give you for now. We're talking this brand new Amazon Fire TV stick. Really, really good device. Santa Claus brought it to me yesterday, the black Santa Claus, that is. And what's new about this thing? Let's open up the box. For one, it's got a 1.3 gigabyte processor, which makes it a little faster for your internet streaming. And for those of you that have had slow internet connections at home, this one has a 802.11 AC for your Wi-Fi connection, which makes it a little faster. Box is a little different. And one of the key differences is the stick itself is a little bigger to handle all that good stuff. It comes with the voice remote for Alexa. And one of the big questions everybody has wanted to know is it going to get Cody? Of course it does, ladies and gentlemen. Why would this thing not get Cody? The sales of this Fire Stick probably would plummet below hell if it didn't do Cody. And I'll take you guys through a Cody review with this new stick in just a second. It has 1 gig of RAM, and it has the same amount of RAM storage space, 8 gigs, as it did on the last one, but it's a little bigger. The box is a little different, and of course, like I said, it comes with the Alexa voice remote. And ladies and gentlemen, it's $39, the same price as the old Fire Stick, which probably means that the old Fire Stick is going to drop in price. If you've got to choose between the two, with this one being the price of the old Fire Stick at $39, ladies and gentlemen, go with this one. It'll make your experience on the web a whole lot better with the processor and with the way they've integrated it for web streaming. The old stick, when you start running a whole lot of live streaming on Kodi and whatever else apps you're using, it can slow it down. So let's go ahead and go through, let you guys see what it looks like on Kodi. So everything on screen is new except for this. Now on the old Kodi, I would always tell you guys to come to this section and calibrate the display. Well, you can't do it this time. It's not going to allow you to do it. It's going to be auto. So it is what it is. Still go on through it. Same control options, guys. Same control options. Click on applications. I've already got Kodi on this one. I've got Kodi, Modro, and SPMC. That's my typical standard setup. Let's go through the Modro real quick. Right now, that is the most consistent thing you are going to find for live TV on Kodi. It has been working for months now, no problems, all right? Let me go ahead and take you guys through this one. And there's ABC. We'll go ahead and give it a click to show you guys how fast it's going. Look at that. And I have never won an argument. That's about a second and a half slow, all right? So bam, there's some live TV for you. Now let's go ahead and show you guys Kodi with this new stick. Now, Alexa, the voice control will not work once you get in Kodi. Sorry, guys, but you don't buy this thing for that. You know you're getting it for Kodi. So let's go on ahead and fire up something in this Kodi, show you guys what we're working with. Let's see here. Walking Dead came out last night. Let's see if we can go ahead and find the Walking Dead in here. Let me see. Alrighty. I'm going to use, let me see, which one of these movies applications would I like to use for that Walking Dead? Let's go ahead and click on Exodus. All right. And we'll go ahead and give a click to TV shows. And we'll click on networks. AMC. Pops up very fast, ladies and gentlemen. Walking Dead. We're on season 7. Let's give it a click. All right, this is the one that came on last night. Let's go ahead and click on the highest option, Pub Film HD.
Previously
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. And did you see how fast that popped up? With a Fire Stick, that would have been about 3 more seconds. So, ladies and gentlemen, those of you that was wondering, can you get Kodi? Oh yeah, you can get Kodi with it. And it's pretty fast now. So some of you that didn't have great internet, you're going to be good to go with this new Fire Stick 2nd generation. For the money, go get this one. Don't buy that 1st generation unless you're in dire straits, ladies and gentlemen. That's going to do it for this video. The best way to get me with questions and comments is www.facebook.com/lifegains07. Hit me there. Don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe, go out there and get yourself a life game. Go out there and get this 2nd generation Fire Stick and enjoy it. And we're going to keep the media content coming. And we'll see you on that next video.